Redneck, depending on who you are, it's either a compliment or an insult, but there's a lot more behind the term than you may think. While you can find most rednecks in the heartland, they may have originated across the pond in Scotland. Say what? The Covenanters were a Scottish Presbyterian movement that challenged the Church of England in the 17th century. Freedom! They were called rednecks because they wore red pieces of cloth around their necks to show their faith. A lot of these Scotsmen would later migrate to the South because it's God's country. In the 19th century, wealthy Southerners used redneck to knock on the hardworking farmers whose necks were burnt red after toiling under a hot day's sun. Since then, it's been used to describe everything from political factions to coal miner union members. Heck, the word even gave Jeff Foxworthy a career. For Rated Red, I'm Abby Casey.